Good morning everybody. This is going to be the quickest introduction to a vlog that I've probably ever done, so you're probably all thinking, woohoo, she's not going to talk for ages. I'm due to get my hair done in 11 minutes. Can't really see what it looks like at the moment, but I mean it looks actually quite blonde, but it's actually not. I've sort of got like a bit of a balayage, blondie thing going on. Basically I'm just asking for it to be really blonde. Yeah, this is what it looks like before. I'll try and take a sneaky little video of what my hair looks like before as well when I'm in the mirror. But I've really got to go because I've got to be there in 10 minutes. So, yeah. See you guys later. Afterwards. It is actually the next day. You would never know because I've got the exact same outfit on as what I wore yesterday. It is my birthday today, so happy birthday to me. It's my golden birthday, 24 on the 24th.
Happy birthday.
Isn't that right, Charles? Thank you. We are going to St Ives today. We're going to stay the night. We're going for dinner at Silco and then we're staying at the Harbourview Hotel. Went out for breakfast this morning, opened all my presents. Just dropped Bodhi off at my mum's, about an hour drive, and it's lovely and sunny. You see that? Blue skies. Get there, check in, park and everything. But yeah, that's what we're going to do, and then I'll show you what our room looks like and everything, give you a little hotel room tour. I don't really know what we're doing, we're just sort of going to chill out and have a nice time, mummy and daddy vibes. You miss him already, because I miss him already. Let's do a room tour. So this is the door that you walk in. We're staying in room number 8. At the door, and you're met with this lovely view. Our room's a street/bay view, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, we've got a lovely view outside of the streets. All the nice houses. You can see the sea over there a little bit. So this is the bed. This is this side of the room. It's probably the most aesthetically pleasing room that we've ever been in. Got another window. There's shutters on all of them. This is lovely. We've got a lovely little wall piece there, which is really nice. Nice little wall art here. Included in the price, we've got breakfast, complimentary drink at the bar. I just read this and it says, you'll find a postcard in your room, which we will be happy to post for you free of charge. I just think that's so cute. This is their information. Their website is gorgeous as well. The hotel is just what it looks like on the website. So this is probably the best view out of the whole room. So I'm just going to open the shutters so you can see. We've got a lovely like sea bay view. Got our own kettle. There's loads of tea and coffee downstairs as well. The guy said to just help ourselves. So that is absolutely fantastic. We've got some cute little mugs each. Got some glasses. Got a nice little TV as well. Light, mirror, hello, you can see me. Lovely little mirror. I actually really love this mirror. Kind of want it for a house, I'm not gonna lie. This is the bathroom. So you walk in, great big shower. It's like one of those like waterfall showers. Bathroom sink, I love these sinks as well. Absolutely fantastic. Mirror as well. Yeah, another little view of the street whilst you're sat on the toilet. But yeah, that is the room. It's nice, isn't it? So we've got dinner later. We're going to Silco. I think our reservations are either 6:15 or 6:30. What do you reckon we're going to do? Have a little walk round now?
Have a drink on the way before we go out.
What, like a cup of tea or something? Or an alcoholic drink?
Yeah, the free one.
We could go get our complimentary drinks now. We're going to go have a little look around shops, get a drink, come back, chill for a little bit, and then we'll head out for dinner later. Have you tested the bed?
No, have you?
No. Do you want to test it together?
Yes. It snaps.
We're not jumping, are we?
It's falling back.
Okay, ready?
3,
2, 1. Oh my gosh, that is so comfy.
Let's sleep through the night.
I know.
Without getting woken up once. Touch wood.
This is fantastic. Thank you.
Don't know who's on camera.
Woke me up. We're out for dinner. The sun's setting. I'm literally wearing the exact same outfit as well. I've just put a blazer on underneath because it's freezing cold. We've got 8 minutes to get to our reservation, but we'll probably get there. Yeah, so excited. Walked past it. Where? What? Yeah, we went past Silco earlier and I saw on the side it said frozen cocktails and I was like, bit of me. So yeah, I'm gonna get frozen cocktail. Very freezing. Full tracksuit because why not? And Charlie's jealous that he didn't bring his own tracksuit with him. We're gonna go down for breakfast because downstairs is actually their own like little cafe as well. So I think it's gonna be really nice. And then we're gonna go have a little look around the shops because loads of them were closed yesterday. And then we're gonna head back. So yeah. For my vlog, what do you think? Yeah, we just got home. Bodhi is 6 months old today, so happy half birthday to you, mister. Mwah. So happy half birthday to you. Happy 24th to me for yesterday. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. Me and Charlie had such a lovely time. Yeah, we had such a nice time without you. And you had such a nice time at Nanny's house, didn't you? If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below what you want to see next. It'll probably be another vlog. He's probably going to be in it as well. So if you want some videos from him, say like and subscribe to my channel. Yeah. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Say bye-bye. Yeah, bye-bye. Bye, guys.